Operators explained for beginners. Hey there. Today we're diving into an essential topic, Java operators. These little symbols are what make Java programs tick. Let's break them down in the simplest way possible. Ready? Let's go. Operators in Java are special symbols that perform operations on variables and values. Think of them as the building blocks of logic and computation. Java has different types of operators. Let's look at the most common ones. 1. Arithmetic operators plus %. Used for basic math operations. Example, int sum 5 plus 3 gives us 8. 2. Relational comparison operators. Shui worried QRTWs. These compare values. Example, 5. 3 is true, but 5 rear 3 is false. 3. Logical operators and im true. Used in conditions. Example, if age 18 and has license, checks if both conditions are true. 4. Assignment operators. Hi plus I, phi I. These assign values. Example, x plus 5 means x as x plus 5. 5. Bitwise operators and Horsing. Used for binary calculations. If you're into low-level programming, these are super useful. Well, let's see operators in action. Public class operators example. Public static void main string args int a watcher 10 b array 5 system.out println sum plus a plus b arithmetic system.out println is a greater plus a b relational system.out println logical and plus a 5 and a b 10 logical Ifrasai system.out.println updated a plus a jots assignment. What's a? This simple program shows how different operators work together. And that's a wrap. Java operators are the foundation of any program, and now you know how to use them. Want to practice? Try writing your own Java program using different operators. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Java tutorials. See you in the next video.